leave me high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You giving me wind and rain.
What's going on, everybody? Probably can't see me that well, but it is Sunday, November 12th, 13th, something like that. And I figure it's about time to go down to Polly's Island to try some inshore stuff, see if some trout are around. Got a cold front coming, like a big cold front, but it's warm today. I guess that's how it goes, it's pushing the warm at us. I ain't got no hoodie on, I got shorts on. It's nice. But yeah, we'll do that. And if you're new to the channel and you didn't see me doing that last year, we'll go over kind of what I'm using and stuff like that. Only got my, well, I do have my ultralight rod because last year I wanted to throw ultralight around and see if anything cool would happen. So we'll try that a little bit. I ain't gonna focus too much on it, but unless nothing else is biting. Hopefully they are, because I bought 4 dozen shrimp and them freaking things ain't cheap. But yeah, we'll see you down there at Polly's and get some shrimp in the water and see if we can get anything cool to happen. This time last year I caught some nice fish. I actually caught my first Grand Slam this time last year. That was in Garden City, actually. That's like the only time I've ever caught anything there, was this time last year. Caught a trout, flounder, and a redfish. It's called an inshore slam. But yeah, we'll see you down there. Y'all hang tight. Alright, y'all, here is the setup. This is how I do it. Never been a big fan of popping corks. I got, like, you can use however long leader you want. 20-pound leader down here, whatever treble hook you like. This is a 1/2 ounce, they call them trolling weights, and I like to use a slip bobber. And you got to use these little rubber eagle claw bobber stops. The thread ones suck, but you just put an extra couple beads on there. Works pretty good. I'm gonna throw it out there and tie my little ultralight it. Like I said, these shrimp are freaking small. Shit. And I forgot my freaking pliers. But he just hooked these shrimp. Don't want to hook them too far back. There's a little clear spot under the horn, they call it. Like that. I'm gonna just cast this thing out and let it do whatever it wants to. Giant pinfish.
There's a fish. That's a nice fish. That feels like a flounder. It is. Nice. Not really what I was going for, but of course he's gonna swallow it. That might would almost keep. That's how you know your bobber is too deep, though, if you're fishing for trout. There we go. That feels like the right one. What's that? Freaking jack? Well, that's fun. A jack. Little jack crevalle. Hey, that's neat. The hook's bigger than his freaking mouth. Huh? The hook's bigger than his mouth.
Ain't trout or no?
No. Decent flounder I got.
Keeper?
It probably would have been. And a little jack.
That's funny.
He fought, it was like a 6-inch jack. It fought as hard as that 15-inch flounder. Or one big skull can.
There were so many on yesterday.
Maybe that wasn't line that Apache posted somebody catching mullet with a cat.
Yeah, Logan got caught on off the second half of the day.
That day I went there, that wasn't.
Under.
That might be a trout. There we go. First one of the fall. That's such a pretty fish. Ah! He's grunting.
Might give you your pliers back?
No, I told him to keep them. Because I asked Jade to keep an eye out for him, and then I was like, I'll just buy some more. And then he texted me 20 minutes later, I got your pliers. After I bought the new ones. Bang, let it go, dude. Shit. Yeah. Damn it. Another little black drum, maybe. Get out of here. I ain't got enough hooks to be messing with y'all.
You know there's another tackle shop called like Inlet Bait and something? It's like a little warehouse looking shit up here. Inlet Bait.
That's trout. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Damn, they're close to that.
I probably will keep. Feels like another big farmer. There's a sheep's head.
They were catching some fucking monster wheat fish off Second Ave.
Really?
I
don't think I've ever been to that pier.
Huh?
I don't think I've ever been to Second Avenue Pier.
So we were talking about going out there and I found them. So I was catching a shit ton of fucking trout in this stream. But he throws lures too.
Off the pier?
On Second Ave. That's how he catches all his fucking wheat fish.
I bet that's fun. That's pretty cool. Alright, y'all, we're gonna make a little move. We're running out of real estate over here. Not been a terrible morning though. Gonna go on the other side of this tree. Might try that ultralight over there too. Alright, y'all. So I just now thought about it. I'd love to catch a redfish. That would get me a slam for the day. You don't do that too often without a boat. Let's see if we can make it happen. I don't know if we can with these little tiny shrimp, but I mean, if that's what they're catching and selling, that's what the fish are eating, I guess. But we'll see what happens. Try to free line a shrimp with this little ultralight. Oh yeah. Alright y'all, bike kind of died down, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna swing by Pawleys Island Outdoors. I'm gonna see if they can't spool my reel, because on the way back from Florida, something happened, the bail opened, something, I hate it, but all my line went out to the highway or somewhere, and I got back and it was just an empty spool. I don't know how it didn't rip the guide off of the rod, because my bait was still tied onto the rod. But yep, that's the plan. I want to do that because my buddy was fishing Cherry Grove last night and he said they were hitting topwater pretty good, so I need another rod to tie up with topwater. Do that. I don't do that too often. It's enjoyable though. Topwater is always the best because you get to watch the fish explode the bait. So yep, I'll go in there and we'll do that and look around.
Pretty familiar with the place.
He's got one on his new boat, but if I was doing more of this, like I'm gonna get...
Alright y'all, we stopped and got something to eat, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna go fish bridge at Litchfield. I don't go there that often because it's kind of shallow, but you never know. And then I think we'll finish the day off up at Cherry Grove, so I'll see y'all there. Alright y'all, grab us a little shrimp. I remember it being shallow here, so is that a pinfish? That's funny. I'll just let that drift. That's a nice fish, whatever it is. Nice flounder. Really nice flounder. Oh, really? Not really what I was fishing for, but I'd take it. Little bluefish. Chewing my leader to death. God, look at him chomping. Might be another bluefish.
Huh?
Might be another bluefish. It ain't big at all, whatever it is. Poop rocket. Be good drum bait for the pier.
That size right there, and Sebastian would be killer for snook.
Now you're all dirty, dude. I didn't realize that much line was leading me out.
It used to happen.
Oh.
Somebody need a little ultralight. I told you that spot there.
I think that's a trout. Aww.
Didn't record, guys, but here's my inshore stand. Right,
Yeah.
whole bunch of spots.
Dang. Ow.
Rock quality.
Yeah. Yeah.
fish, right?
Nah. All right, y'all, I got my inshore lamb. Hell yeah. Apologize, I cut the recording off halfway through catching that redfish because what I did is I turned the beep off on my camera. Usually when you cut a GoPro on, it beeps 3 times, and when you cut it off, it beeps 7 times. I had it on the lowest volume, but it's still super obnoxious, especially if I'm on the pier or something. I think it kind of messes with my head. But I think I recorded enough of it for it to count. But got a nice flounder, some nice trout, and a nice redfish. That was a pretty redfish. I was happy to catch that. We're gonna shoot over to Inlet Rocks and see if they got some more shrimp. And if not, we'll go to Perry's, and then I think we'll go to Cherry Grove. So I'll see y'all there. Alright, y'all, we're up here in Cherry Grove. I usually fish the, we call it the bend. It's behind the hotel, but we're gonna be a little bit further up. There's a little walking dock you can get on, but we're gonna walk down. You're not allowed to fish on that walking dock, I think. We're gonna go down and get our feet muddy, I think, and I'm just gonna throw, I'm pretty much out of shrimp, so I'm just gonna throw a voodoo shrimp, and I got that that spook tied on my other rod. That'd be cool. Fabian said they weren't hitting that till it started getting darker, but we'll see what happens. I just missed one. Oh,
You let them swap.
damn. Oh well. Alright, y'all. Tried the voodoo shrimp. Lost a few flounder. Bluefish chewed it in half, so I tried this swim bait and that ain't working. So I'm gonna try this spook. He got them all dirty, man. Nice. Probably 20. Yeah. It is a giant bluefish. That's fun. Yeah. I'll tell you what, friend. There we go. Well, I said I wanted to catch something. I didn't say a trout. That's probably the biggest bluefish I've caught all year. Yeah. You smacked it. It felt better at first. Yeah. Bro. Yeah, first trout on the spook. Yay! I'm not a failure. Well, y'all, that's gonna wrap it up. Pretty dang good day if I don't say so myself. Unfortunately, my weekend, I usually get a 3-day weekend, but it's getting cut short, but I have Tuesday off. So I may go fishing. It's gonna be super cold, so I don't know. But yeah, can't complain. Got an inshore slam, caught fish on a topwater spook for the first time. Nice flounder. That was a pretty red. Hell yeah. Damn good day of fishing. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.